What does it mean to wait on God? We all are waiting for something. In the waiting, we can fall into anxiety and despair. There are many things beyond our control, and our attempts to control are only an illusion. In the waiting, we can put our efforts into the wrong things, or we can wait on God, who is working all things together for the good. We may try harder, only to become tired out. We may ignore the problem and attempt to fake it until we make it, or we can wait on God through prayerful hope and dependence, allowing the wind of the Spirit to take over. When we do, we'll find God was in the waiting, and His Spirit will lift us up. We'd love to hear from you. You can email us info@newandlivingway.ca. You can like, share, subscribe, leave a comment on our Instagram or YouTube channel, Embrace Church.